Welcome to This Explainer. If you're looking for a complete, step-by-step blueprint to passive income, you're exactly in the right place. Today, we're diving into the ultimate Amazon affiliate playbook. We're going to break down exactly how you can partner with the world's biggest online retailer to build a sustainable income stream. But more importantly, we're covering the hidden traps, the secret rules, and the common mistakes most beginners completely miss. Mistakes that can actually get your brand new account permanently shut down. So get ready to take some mental notes.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's the roadmap we're following today. First, the affiliate marketing engine. Second, bulletproof account setup. Third, rules that get you banned. Fourth, picking a profitable niche. Fifth, building your AI website. And finally, the Pinterest traffic secret. By the end of this explainer, you'll have the entire puzzle solved.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, the affiliate marketing engine and understanding the core mechanics.
The whole foundation here is a real win-win. You share a referral link, the customer pays the exact same normal price, and Amazon pays you a cut of their profit. But now, what's really interesting here is the concept of secondary sales. This is your real profit engine. When a shopper clicks your affiliate link, a 24-hour tracking cookie drops on their browser. That means you don't just get a commission on the one specific product you recommended. Nope. You get credit for absolutely everything they buy on Amazon over the next 24 hours. When you think about Amazon's massive shopping volume and how easily we all just add extra stuff to our carts, you can see how fast those commissions can stack up. Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds. Bulletproof account setup, laying the foundation the right way. So signing up for an Amazon Associates account is pretty straightforward, but listen, do not skip the tax and payment information section. Fill it out right away so your money doesn't get trapped. And while you're in those payment settings, you want to change one specific number. Drop your default payment threshold from $100 all the way down to $10 immediately. Doing this ensures you get your cash in hand as fast as possible to build momentum. Next up, you absolutely need to use these two completely free tools from Amazon. First is OneLink. Think about it. If someone in the UK or Canada clicks your US link, they probably aren't going to buy. Well, OneLink automatically redirects international clicks to their local Amazon stores, which totally prevents you from losing out on global sales. Second is SiteStripe. It's this handy little browser toolbar that pops up when you're logged in, and it lets you instantly generate a clean, short affiliate link for any product you're looking at. Always use the short link, guys. Full URLs are messy, and honestly, nobody wants to click a link that looks like 3 paragraphs of spam. Now for Section 3, rules that get you banned. These are the critical compliance traps you absolutely must avoid. Look, I need to warn you, breaking these specific rules will literally get your newly built account permanently shut down. First up is the 180-day clock. The literal second you sign up for your account, a timer starts. You have exactly 180 days, 6 months, to generate 3 qualified sales. If you miss that window, boom, your account is automatically closed. The massive takeaway here, don't sign up for the program until you are genuinely ready to post content and start driving traffic. Let's rapid fire through some instant account bans. Number 1. No using friends and family to get those first 3 sales. Amazon aggressively tracks IP addresses, purchase histories, and connected accounts. If they catch you, you're flagged. Second, no offline links. You can't put links in emails, downloaded PDFs, or private Facebook groups. Amazon requires URLs to be completely public and trackable. Third, no cloaking links. Using shorteners like bit.ly to hide that it's an Amazon link, strictly prohibited. Fourth, missing disclosures. You absolutely must explicitly tell your audience you earn from qualifying purchases. And finally, keep last link attribution in mind. Amazon only awards the commission to the very last affiliate link a buyer clicks before checking out. Moving right along to Section 4, picking a profitable niche, focusing on buyers, not browsers. When you're just starting out, it's super tempting to talk about everything to reach the maximum number of people, right? But you actually want to do the opposite and pick a highly specific niche. You want topics that apply to less than 5% of people. Think German Shepherd owners or hardcore sourdough bakers. And this brilliantly illustrates the core mindset. Niche content attracts buyers, general content attracts browsers. Getting 1,000 genuinely passionate people actively looking for solutions is going to vastly outconvert 100,000 random viewers with 0 purchase intent. Specificity is literally where the profit lives. Let's look at the math for a second, because chasing high commission percentages is a massive beginner mistake. Let's compare luxury beauty, which has a really nice 10% commission rate, to PC hardware, which sits way down at a tiny 2.5%. Okay, if you sell a $20 lipstick, you make $2. But a 2.5% commission on a $1,200 gaming laptop, That yields $30 from a single sale. So the math clearly proves that average order value matters so much more than just the baseline percentage.
All right, Section 5, building your AI website, your dedicated product hub.
So you need a dedicated permanent product hub to house all your recommendations and SEO articles. Now, building a website might sound like a massive technical hurdle, but today we can solve this instantly with AI using a tool like Hosting or Horizons. By typing one single plain English prompt, something like, build a bold, modern Amazon affiliate marketing website for a home gym equipment niche called Iron Edge, the AI just goes to work. In literally minutes, it generates a fully responsive site, builds out category pages for dumbbells, puts together product cards, and even sets up a professional blog layout. It's kind of mind-blowing.
And integrating your affiliate links into this AI site is totally effortless. Let's say you want to promote a set of Bowflex dumbbells. Step 1, grab your clean site stripe short link from Amazon. Step 2, open the Hostinger Horizons AI chat. Step 3, you literally just tell the AI, add this link to the button and paste your URL. Boom, the AI updates your view on Amazon button instantly. You don't have to touch a single line of code to build a highly optimized conversion machine.
That brings us to Section 6, the Pinterest traffic secret, the visual search engine. Now, we're pivoting away from the website setup to the final piece of the puzzle, driving high-intent traffic, and we are explicitly avoiding the common advice to just battle it out on social media. So the crucial point is this. On TikTok or Instagram, your content has a 48-hour lifespan. You're dealing with doom scrollers who aren't looking to buy, and you're entirely at the mercy of a fickle algorithm. But Pinterest is an evergreen visual search engine. People go there actively searching to buy things like best home gym equipment under $500. They have incredibly high purchase intent. And the best part? Pinterest allows direct clickable links right on the image, funneling buyers straight to your website.
Creating these pins is incredibly fast now, too. You can use ChatGPT or Canva templates to generate stunning visuals instantly. Just make sure the dimensions are exactly 1,000 by 1,500 pixels. The real secret here, though, is the text. You need an exact match SEO title. Don't just write, "Look at these cool weights." You want to write exactly what buyers are typing into the search bar. Best adjustable dumbbells for home gyms under $100 full review. That is exactly how you capture highly targeted traffic.
Consistency is absolutely key here. Your target is 5 to 10 pins per week, and every single pin should link directly to your website's category pages or blog posts. By doing this weekly, you aren't just shouting into the void on social media. You are building a vast library of permanent, searchable internet assets that can drive commissions for years to come.
Let's bring this all together. Here is your complete action plan that you can confidently execute today. Step 1, set up your Amazon Associates account and lower that payment threshold to $10. Step 2, pick a highly specific niche targeting less than 5% of the population. Step 3, build your permanent AI hub using Hosting or Horizons. And Step 4, post 5 to 10 evergreen SEO-optimized pins on Pinterest every single week to funnel those high-intent buyers directly to your links. Now, everything we've just covered gives you an incredible blueprint for off-Amazon traffic. But I want to leave you with a provocative thought to wrap up this explainer. What if you didn't even have to drive your own traffic? What if you could place your review videos directly on Amazon's own product pages, tapping into the millions of people who are already on the site with their credit cards out? Well, that's exactly what the Amazon Influencer Program offers. It's a completely different native storefront layer and a massive opportunity to take things to the absolute next level. Think about it. Keep learning, keep building, and thanks for joining me for this explainer.